Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing 90-day reporting dates. For those who are unaware, and I've done a number of videos on this channel, there is a requirement in Thailand for all non-immigrant visa holders. We're not talking about tourists necessarily, although folks on a special tourist visa, you may have to deal with this. But we're talking generally about business visa, retirement visa, marriage visa, ED visa. There is a requirement for non-immigrants to report to immigration their address every 90 days. And there appears to be some confusion regarding whether or not this date, and I've gotten a couple of emails on this, whether or not the date of one's 90-day report has anything to do with the expiration date of their visa status. And you need to be very careful that you don't conflate these two. Your visa status, your visa extension status, or your multi-entry stamp, or even a single entry stamp, the stamp that you got when you came into Thailand, for example, on an elite card, it might be a 1-year stamp. On a multi-entry B visa, it might be 90 days. On an OA retirement visa, it might be a year. And then you've got extension status, which could be extended for a year. You know, this stuff is, those are your visa status. That's your visa status stamp. Whereas the expiration date of your 90-day reporting, or I shouldn't even say the expiration date, the date you're required to do your next 90-day report, which is issued on the document they give you when you do your last 90-day report, that date may be after your expiration date. Do not mix these two up. They are two different things, and they pertain to pretty wildly different aspects of your immigration status. If you mess up and think that your 90-day report date is your expiration date, you can end up going into overstay inadvertently, and that can cause you some problems because overstay is not easily remedied, and in fact, oftentimes the only remedy is to leave the country. So something to keep in mind, they are not the same thing. The date that one needs to go in for a 90-day report may not necessarily be the date. In fact, most of the time it's not going to be the date that one's visa expires. Don't conflate the two, and do not presume that just because that date regarding 90-day reporting is after your expiration date that they've somehow given you some extra time. Don't think that. That's not what's going on. They're two different things. Keep in mind, your expiration date is the important one. Always bear that one in mind and deal with getting extensions or maintaining lawful status accordingly.